Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, Mr. Belle and me will be cooking some BOk Choy with hot link sausage. And the ingredients are BOk Choy, hot link sausage, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, garlic, onions. And we are using an electric skillet to cook the BOk Choy.
A little olive oil in there.
Then make it hot. We're gonna put the onion. And cook it a little bit until the onion is thicker. And now we're gonna put the garlic. And then after the onions and garlic, we're gonna put the hot link sausage. Let it cook for a couple of minutes.
We're gonna stir this up as you see the hot links is getting nice and good and everything. The seasonings in there, the garlic and the onions and everything.
And now the sausage is cooked, and we gotta put the BOk Choy now.
And it looks like it's a lot, but when it cook down, it's gonna be a little. What I'm gonna do, put the cover on it and let it cook down some, just like that.
As you can see, after 5 minutes, the vegetables is cooking. We're gonna mix it and put all the sausage in the top. And then now my husband will put that seasoning.
I'm just going to sprinkle this salt over just like this. A little garlic powder over just like that. And also the black pepper.
And we're going to mix it.
As you see, it's getting nice and good and everything. It's making its own juice and everything. So I'm going to sit the top back on and let it cook for a few more minutes.
And now we're going to open it. I think this BOk Choy is already cooked. And now I'm going to off the skillet. And now this is the BOk Choy with hot links.
And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.